Kinain mo na lahat yung lip balm mo. Are you ready? Marunong ka ba mag-makeup kay tita? Yes. Tuturuan kita. Hindi to kasali. Simplehan mo lang yung makeup ni tita, ha?
Tita, ito lang ang gusto ko sa'yo.
Eh, di tapos na kung yan lang ang gusto mo sa akin.
Ready on your mark, get set,
Go! Are you ready?
yeah.
Ask me if I'm ready.
I'm ready.
Are we ready?
Yes!
Yes! Let's do this! Mag-hey everyone na tayo. Ang effort mo naman ng ano mo, ang liit-liit mo naman kasi. O yan, lagyan pa natin ng pilo. Ay, yung piting mo. Makikita na.
Are you ready?
Yes, of course I'm ready. What are you
Let's
asking me?
start.
Okay, let's start. Kanina pa yung are you ready na yan, ha? Huwag ka munang magsasalita si tita mo na. If it's your first time to come here on this...
muna, tita.
Okay, sige na, ikaw na. Oh, ako muna, dali. If it's your... Ibaba mo yung paa mo. Makikita yung ano mo. Wait lang, si tita muna. If...
She's gonna make up me, she's gonna make up me,
No, you will do my makeup. I won't do yours.
I'm gonna do your makeup and you can do my makeup.
Okay, that's a deal. Okay? So let me do the intro. Hi everyone, welcome back. Welcome back to my channel again.
And today we have this makeup channel to Tita.
Yes, she will do my makeup today as you have requested.
She's just gonna do my makeup this one.
No, you will do my makeup. Hindi ako yung gagawa ng makeup mo. You will do my makeup.
So, I will do your makeup and you can do my makeup too.
Okay. My condition. Because you requested for this, guys, we will be doing this. So if it's your first time, guys, to come here on this channel, please do subscribe down below and like this video.
Like this video.
Ang OA. Okay, so let's get on to the video. Let's go! Woohoo! Dahil hindi naman niya alam kung paano mag-bake up, tuturuan ko siya, okay? So you do the moisturizer first. You put it on Tita's face.
Okay.
Open. Okay. And then you put it on your fingertips. Make it fast. Squeeze.
I got that in my hand.
Okay, you put it on Tita's face. Oh, wala tayong salamin. Okay. Ganon mo.
Now next, I have to do something for Tita. She's gonna make up me.
Yun na yung makeup mo? Okay, let's do the foundation. We will be using this Sison HD na paubos na. So, gagamitin na natin siya.
And
Wait a minute. I will shake because you don't know how to open this one. Dahil hindi na to nagpapahang ganito. Okay, you put it on Tita's face.
hi everyone, I'm gonna trick Tita into a money.
You're gonna make me into a man? Or monster? Here. Tanggalin mo muna yan. You put one here, here, and here.
Now,
You do the brush. You blend the foundation.
Okay.
Is it hard? Why?
Wag mo na aamyin.
Oh, hindi ko naman na-am yun. Ako ka talagang sinabi.
I'm finished!
Did you blend everything? You blend everything. Oh, you use the brush. Ay, kinain na. Oh, sa ping-ping ko pa.
That's really nice.
That's really nice, really?
Look at you.
Is it nice? I don't have a mirror, so you should do it good, okay?
There's a little mirror here. Sample!
We'll be using this Nichido Creamy Glow Final Powder. So,
It's chocolate. Chocolate powder.
Chocolate powder? This is not a chocolate powder.
Yeah.
Here.
Okay.
You use this brush and then you put it on my face like your pulbo.
Here.
Is this fun?
Here we go. It's really finished.
Ah, it's finished. Okay. You do my kilay.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah.
You know how to do the kilay?
Yeah.
Do you know how to do the kilay? Here's the brush. And then you dip it here on the brown. And then you put it on my brows. Okay?
Yeah.
Not too much.
Something?
No! Just the other. Just one. Wow, ha? Parang hindi ko pa na-feel na dumikit. Are you done with my kilay? Is it good?
Yeah.
Is it looking stunning?
Yeah.
Is it awesome?
And if you're too late to finish his mouth, he's gonna kill you.
I don't understand. This is the Etude House Color My Brows.
Here? Here?
On my brow.
Here?
Yeah, you use it on my brow. Ay! One more on the other side. Are you done? Okay.
Now, let's add it more teachers here than yeah.
Inaantay mo talagang i-makeup kita. No, I won't do that kasi yung
There's a
skin mo.
mirror on it. Wow.
Oh my God! What did you do?
I looked at it.
Okay, you finish. You do the blush. Here.
The other side.
Okay.
Okay. There's a brush here.
Are you done? Okay. This is eyeshadow. You can use the brush or you can use the other brushes here. Whatever you want. Put it on my eyelid, okay?
Is that your favorite color?
No, that's not my favorite. But you can use anything. Do it.
Maybe this.
Okay. What is that? She's using the shade Nooner.
I'm really done.
Are you done? You put more. Here, put more.
Okay.
That's it?
Yeah.
Oh, here. Put it on my lashes.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah. What's your eye?
Here, on the hair here. Can you see the hair? That is what we call lashes. Okay, are we done?
Now, let's start.
Now, let's put on the... I forgot to get the contour, but we will not contour today. Okay, you use this fan brush to apply the highlighter. The white one.
The white one?
Yeah. You add more. You add more. More like that. And then you put it
My
here.
favorite color is violet.
Oh, yeah, your favorite color is violet.
So, the other side.
So, the other side, okay? Okay, ma'am.
Okay, it's finished.
Finish?
Okay, so many choices we have.
Yeah, so many choices. What do you want?
Violet,
What else? We have
red,
red.
another violet, and the red one, black one, another black.
Yung packaging lang naman ang kunan. So, what do you want? What do you want to use on me?
This one.
This one. Okay, I'm gonna open it. You know how to put this on. This is the Rimmel. Rimmel in the shade Back to Fuchsia.
Yeah. Say
Say ah.
See? There's a button there.
Okay, you put more.
More?
In the upper lip also. Are we done? Are you done?
Yeah.
You wanna add more?
No.
How about this one?
Yeah, that's a one. You don't have to open it.
Okay. Sorry naman. This one is NYX in the shade Siren. This one is from Tita Tressie.
Yeah.
Say hi to Tita Tressie.
I see the grassy. It's finished.
Finish?
Yeah.
Okay, so do you want to add more anything on my face? Wala na?
More.
More of what?
This one is going to for you.
Okay, this one is the blush. I can't see my face.
But you cannot see your this is here.
Why are you laughing? Am I beautiful? Look! Am I pretty here? With your makeup?
Not yet. This one.
Not yet? Okay. Right.
Oh,
Okay, are we done?
yeah.
Okay. Let me get the mirror.
Tita, how about the Wi-Fi? How about this one, Tita? Let's try it.
Okay, let's try that one. Let's try that one. Okay. Ah! The mirror is falling!
Tita, because you are so silly when I copy.
Oh, here. You want the violet? Why violet is your favorite color?
Because my name is purple. Okay?
Why it's your favorite? Why it's your favorite?
Because Sophia is violet.
Oh, because Sophia's dress is violet. Are we done with my makeup?
Yeah.
Okay, this is the big reveal.
And next you. And next, let's add it to bracelet and
Let's add some bracelet on my hand.
there we go. Now
Okay.
you're so pretty.
Now I'm so pretty. Are you sure?
Yeah.
Ready? 1, 2. Oh my God!
Your lip is so funny.
My look is too funny. You said I'm pretty. Why it's not pretty?
It's funny.
It's funny. Look at my what do you call that one? Mascara. Tapos yung lipstick ko nandito lang sa gitna.
Funny yan.
Tapos meron pa doon. Tapos yung kilay ko pa ganun.
It's so funny. Just like a crocodile.
Just like a crocodile. May gulay. That's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this look and I hope you learned something today. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please do subscribe. And ala, makikita yung ano mo.
Tita, make-up mo ba?
Ayoko may makeup kita kasi baka maano yung skin mo. Pulbo lang pwede sa'yo. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe and like this video. And we'll see you on our next one. Bye!